name is Kempton, and welcome to my final math presentation. How I have changed from the beginning of semester to where I am now will be how I finish my assignments. For example, I finished assignment 10.13, which was doing about box plots and dot plots. I also improved by becoming more familiar using box plots, stem and leaf plots, histograms, and bar graphs. All these show on how I have grown since I have become better at these subjects in the semester. I found success in my assignment, which was 10.15. I have succeeded in completing the assignment and getting a good grade on it. And the assignment where I struggled is 9.5. Before, I understood the assignment, but then later on, the assignment started to get harder for me. And I couldn't understand what the questions were trying to tell me on what to do. And the assignment I worked incredibly hard on is my assignment 9.12. For this assignment, I could not understand what the questions were asking me to do exactly, so I got a couple points taken off of my grade. Lastly, a memorable interaction I had this semester with a teacher. My teacher helped me in doing some of my math assignments in order for me to understand what the assignment wants me to do. An entry I have is assignment 8.12. I am proud of this assignment because I have worked hard on this assignment, which got me a good grade on the assignment. This work is important to me since this assignment really helped me learn about geometry, which was in one of my previous goals. This shows I am worth this semester since I have completed all of my assignments that include geometry, angles, and statistics. I also have gotten a good grade on most of my assignments. A goal that I have made in the second semester is to become better at geometry and angles, since in the first semester I couldn't really do geometry. I picked this goal before the first semester, I feel like I got most of the ways to do geometry. In this semester, I feel like I have achieved my goals since I completed many assignments about geometry, while sometimes I need help on some other geometry assignments. The second goal I had is to always take notes, since I don't usually take that many notes. I picked this goal since if I don't take that many notes, I can write down any tips about the subject I'm doing to complete a quiz or assignment. I feel like I have achieved this goal since now I take more notes, which helps me understand subjects easier than when I didn't take that many notes. My third goal was to not wake up in the middle of the night, since it will make me more tired. I picked this goal since earlier in the semester, I used to wake up very early in the morning and was tired when I got to school. I think I achieved this goal since I started to not wake up in the middle of the night more often, which makes me have more energy before school. An example of how I've grown is 10.7 assignment. Since I've done hard work on this assignment, I've gotten a good grade. I picked this assignment since this assignment shows all of my hard work on trying to compare and contrast histogram, stem and leaf plots, and frequency table. I think I got a grade on this since I've done the work for it with some help from my teacher, and I have successfully accomplished this assignment. A second example is my 10.13 assignment. Since I've gotten a grade on it, I have worked really hard on this assignment with the help from a teacher. I picked this assignment since I got a grade on it. In this assignment, I had to create dot and box plots. The final example is my 10.15 assignment, which I got a good grade on. I picked this assignment since this assignment was quite simple and quite easy to do, since all I had to do with this assignment is to ask people around my area about how many hours you spend online. I got a good grade on this since I spent my time talking to people about how many hours people spend online. At the start of the semester, I was not very good doing geometry and angles since it has been a long time since I've done geometry. Furthermore, I was not able to remember some of the other subjects that are in math, like multiplying and dividing fractions. At the end of the first semester, I was only able to understand a little bit of doing multiplying and dividing fractions and geometry. In the middle of the semester, I was able to become better at doing angles. I became better with angles since I practiced doing angles while I also did assignments that included angles. I also learned how to do probability, which was hard for me since I didn't know what this subject was and I also didn't know how to do it. At the end of the semester, I learned how to do statistics, which I also did not understand on how to do it too. I became better at doing statistics since I did many quizzes and assignments about statistics. I also became better at making box plots, 7-leaf plots, histograms, and frequency tables.